We'll guide you through how to use guidelines in Inkscape to enhance your design workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop and load up the document you're working on. To start using guidelines, you need to know how to create them. Move your cursor to the rulers on the top or left side of the canvas. Click and drag from the ruler into the canvas area to create a guideline. You can pull from the top ruler for a horizontal guide or from the side ruler for a vertical guide. Once the guideline is on your canvas, you can move it around by clicking and dragging it to the desired position. If you want to adjust the angle of your guide, click on the guideline to select it and then press the shift key while clicking and dragging to rotate it. This is super handy when you need angled guides for more complex designs. To remove a guideline, simply click on it and drag it back onto the ruler area. If you're looking to manage several guidelines at once, you can use a guidelines manager by going to View, then Guides, and selecting Guidelines Manager. This will allow you to see all the guides you have and adjust them numerically for precise placement. Remember, guidelines in Inkscape are non-printing elements, which means they won't appear when you print or export your document. They're just there to help you align and organize your design elements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.